Hello my dear students, a very warm welcome to you all. Today we are going to start with a new unit, that is the sporting spirit. In your textbook there are certain pictures of the players demonstrating the spirit of sportsmanship. Now what do you mean by sportsmanship? Sportsmanship is the feeling of mutual respect between the players of a sport. It is characterized by upholding the team spirit and having a healthy competition. Okay. So from this unit we are going to start the lesson The Goal Not Scored, which is written by Manoj T. Thomas. This lesson talks about a football match. An inter-house football match which is played between Blue House and Red House. Now let us talk about the characters in this lesson. So the first character is Arif, who is the star player of Blue team. He is the main character of this story. The second character is Vikas, who is the captain of Blue team. The third character is the Praveen. He is the goalkeeper of Red team. And the next character is Mr. Sahu, the sports teacher as well as the referee of this football match. So let's start the lesson. Arif rubbed his knees gingerly. He knew that he had to be fit before the next day's football match. The inter-house matches were going on and he was going to make sure that he played well in the next match. Now Arif, the star player of Blue team, he rubbed his knees gingerly. Gingerly means very carefully. So Arif rubbed his knees very carefully, in a careful manner. He knew that he had to be fit before the next day's football match. Now Arif, the star player of Blue team, knew that he had to be fit before the next day's match. The next day they had a match, and to play that match he had to be very fit. Who? Arif. Arif had to be very fit. The inter-house matches were going on and he was going to make sure that he played well in the next match. Now in the school, inter-house matches were going on. As in our school during sports we have inter-house matches, isn't it? Similarly, in their school also they had inter-house matches. The inter-house matches were going on. Inter-house means the matches played between different houses of the same school. They are called as inter-house matches. So the inter-house matches were going on and Arif had to play well in the next match. They were going to meet the Red House in the next match, and the Reds have been claiming that they had never lost to the Blues. Now the Blue House was going to play against the Red House, and the Red House claimed that they had never lost a single match against Blues. Whenever there was a match between Blue House and Red House, always Red House used to win. Arif was sure that there was always going to be a first time. So Arif, the star player of blue team, he was sure that there was going to be a first time. So he was sure that first time they may win the match. The blue team may win the match. For the first time, the red team may lose the match. So always there was going to be the first time, and he was sure that this time the blue team is going to win the match. The match was also very important because his team, the Blue House, needed a win to get the 2 points necessary for them to get into the finals. Now, for blue team, it was very important to win the match. Why it was important to win the match? Because they needed 2 points to enter the finals. Now see, every team expects that they should reach the final. Similarly, the blue team also wanted to reach the final. They wanted to play in the finals, and to enter the finals they needed 2 points, and they would get these points only and only after winning the match against the Reds. And so this match was very important for the blue team. He was their star player and could not afford to be injured for such an important match. Now he was the star player. He means who here? Arif. Arif was the star player. Star player means the best player. So he was the best player of blue team, and he could not afford getting injured. See, because the next day their team had a match against the Red House, and he had to be very fit to play the match, and so he could not afford getting injured. The amount of practice he and his teammates had put in before the match also had been phenomenal. Now before the match, Arif and his team had practiced a lot. The practice which they made was phenomenal. Phenomenal means remarkable. So it was a remarkable practice. They had practiced very well. They had practiced for a long period of time, and they were determined to win the match. Their practice was remarkable. Arif was having the feeling that they were playing some very important tournament, when it was actually only a small match between the different houses in the same school. Now Arif, he was having the feeling as if their team was going to play a very important tournament. Now what do you mean by tournament? Series of contests between number of competitors competing for an overall prize. So Arif had the feeling that they were going to play a very important tournament, but actually it was a small match which was going to be played between different houses of the same school. This is going to be our most important match, said Vikas, the captain of the Blues, trying to lift the morale of his team before the match. Vikas, who was the captain of blue team, who was the captain of Blue House, he said that this match is going to be very important. He was trying to lift the morale of the players of his team. Lift the morale means to improve their confidence. As a captain, he wanted that his team should play the best, and so he was trying to build their confidence. Give everything, he said. we want a victory at any cost. I repeat, we want a victory at any cost. So, as you know that before any match, the captain of the team gives instructions to his players. So similarly, the captain of blue team, that is Vikas, he told his players that do the best, give everything, give your best, and he said that we wanted to win at any cost, and he repeated this sentence that the team wanted to win at any cost. Now why they wanted to win? Because they had to enter the finals, and so they had to win this match at any cost. They had practiced till all of them had been completely tired. The game plan was almost final and they were beginning to play well as a team. They had plenty of coordination too. Now blue team had practiced a lot. They had practiced till all the players of the team were tired. The game plan was also almost final. They had planned how they are going to play the game. And as a team, they were going to begin the game well, begin to play well. All the players of the team had a very good coordination among themselves, which is most important thing in any match. So if the players have coordination between them, then they can win the match. So blue team also had good coordination among the players. There is no reason why we should not win this match, said Santosh, their goalkeeper. Now, the goalkeeper of the blue team, that is Santosh. I forgot to mention him when we discussed about the characters. So Santosh was the goalkeeper of blue team, and he said that there is no reason for us to lose the match because they had practiced well, they had planned their game well, they had a good coordination. Due to all these things, there was no chance of losing the game. We won't lose unless you concede a goal, said Vikas. So Vikas, the captain, he said that yes, we won't lose unless and until you concede the goal. Concede means surrender. Unless you surrender the goal, we can't lose the match. I won't let the ball get past me, said Santosh with determination. The Reds are going to lose this tie. Now Santosh allow the red team to make the goals. I won't allow the ball get past me. Now here I means who? Goalkeeper Santosh. So he said that he won't allow the ball to pass against him. Means he would not allow the red teams to make the red house to make the goal. He was also very much determined to win the match, and he said that this time definitely the red house is going to lose the match.